To deposit a check on the Huntington app, start by opening the app and logging in to your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, tap on the menu icon and select the deposit option. Next, choose the account where you want to deposit the check, such as your checking or savings account. Make sure you have the check ready and endorsed with your signature. Tap on the Take a Photo of Check option and select the front and back of the check. The app will guide you through the process of taking clear photos of the check. Ensure the check is placed on a flat surface with good lighting and all four corners are visible in the photo. After taking the photos, review the check details, including the amount and account information, to ensure everything is correct. If the information is accurate, tap on the Confirm button to proceed with the deposit. The app will then prompt you to enter the amount of the check. Type in the amount and tap on the Deposit button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that the deposit has been successfully submitted. Finally, verify that the deposit has been credited to your account by checking your account balance. It may take a few days for the check to clear, but you can start using the funds as soon as they are available in your account. It is essential to keep the check safe until the deposit has been confirmed and the funds are available in your account. Once the deposit has been confirmed, you can safely destroy the check to avoid any potential issues. By following these steps, you can easily deposit a check using the Huntington app, saving you time and effort. Remember to always review the check details carefully and keep the check safe until the deposit has been confirmed.